Here we'll be analyzing volatility 50 index to see the market situation, to see if we could see any trade opportunity on it. Yeah, so on the weekly time frame, basically, it's advisable to start from the high time frame so you can see the bigger picture of the market, you can see the market direction, so we can be able to identify our key zones and levels. So you have this level as a resistance level. Market has been consolidating for some time now on V50 index, creating equals and equal loads. Finally, we got the market break below this our level. Like a break and retest, gave us little sell. Now came back to test this our zone again. This is our broken support, not on resistance. And we are kind of getting a rejection from this our level on the weekly time frame. You can see this weekly time frame candle, how it formed. This is a pin bar, this is a bearish candle. This is a bearish reversal candle that formed on the weekly time frame. This formation, you can see that it has already produced this little sell in the past few days of the weekly open. So what do we expect on V50 index? Have we gotten the break and retest? This is our level. Do we expect the market to give us a sell to the downside, or do we expect a reversal back to this our zone, back to this our consolidation that we had? Yes, we have this level as well as a level of support which you have to identify too. We have this level as a level of support. The market kind of came to this zone but didn't really give us a test on this our level. You can see it was close to this level before it gave us a push back to the upside. I would expect a proper test of this our zone, and you can see that the market is also creating this lower highs structure, this lower highs and lower lows, which is a bearish formation. Like the market has changed its trend from a consolidation. Kind of the nature of the market has changed from a consolidating market to a downtrend market, because it's been consolidating for something, not giving us an uptrend or a downtrend. Finally give us a breakout and now forming these lower highs and lower lows structure, bullish formation. So daily time frame, we have this zone. We also have the market creating this counter trend. Remember, we have an overall downtrend on the weekly time frame, which identified at this point, this overall downtrend on the weekly time frame. Now we have this counter trend that came to give us a test of this our trend resistance. So what do we expect? Basically, we can trade counter trends, can look out for trade opportunities on counter trend despite having an overall market direction. You can look out for the buys on this counter trend. We have the market giving us this higher highs and higher lows on this our counter trend formation. We have this overall downtrend. Then we can see the market giving us a little uptrend inside this our overall downtrend. So short term, we are kind of going to look for buy opportunity. We have this level of support too. We have this level of support on the daily time frame. So how do we approach the markets? How do you look out for trade opportunities on this index? Because we have seen the market giving us the first and second touch of this our trend support, first, second, and there's a high chance of the market coming to give us a third touch of this our trend support at this point. For a good buy to the upside. We could see one more leg to the upside before we can see any sell on V50 index. But on short term, you're looking out for buy opportunities despite having this overall downtrend. You're looking out for short term buy opportunities because I've seen our daily time frame structure and zones. I've seen our daily time frame level. We also have this zone as a demand zone, kind of a demand formation. So we could see a good buy from this our level to the upside, from this our zone to the upside. So let's check our adjustment level if it's matching up with our 61.8 level or 50.0 level. Let's check from the swing lows to the swing highs. And we can see that this level is almost close to our, you can see it's at our 61.8 level. This is our buy level we identified. So there's a high chance of the market coming to this our zone to give us a buy to the upside. We are working with the market trend, the current market trend, despite having this overall bullish, despite having this overall bearish trend. We could see short-term buys on V50 index. Remember, this overall trend is on the weekly time frame, so we can't just start trading the sells. We can't just start selling on the downtrend because it's in the market direction, the weekly time frame. Then we'll now start looking out for sells. We have to go lower to look out for trade opportunities on a lower time frame. We can't trade on this weekly time frame, but you have to work with market structure on the weekly time frame. So let's go to the forward time frame to see the structure, market formation. So the forward time frame is saying the same thing still, nothing serious. We could see a possible buy in the coming days on V50 index. because the market will be approaching the level. Level has been a support level and resistance level in the past. Kind of market sell on from this zone, give us a move to this our level, sold off, broke out of it, give us a retest, break and retest for a buy. You can see the little buy you give. You can see the little buys it gave at this point, kind of a support. Now break below it, support on resistance, came back to retest it again. Sold off from this our zone as a resistance. Finally, the market is trading out of this our resistance level. Whenever resistance level is broken, it turns to a support. So we expect a possible buy from this our horizontal support level, our trend support. We have these levels our trend support, these levels our trend resistance. Because I've seen the market selling off whenever it got to this zone. Sold off from here, sold off from here. Came here, bought off from this our zone, bought off from here, and there's actually the market coming back to this zone to buy from this our zone. And we are yet to get a third test of our trend resistance, so we could see a possible buy on V15 index. We could see a possible buy in the coming days on V15 index for the market to come give us a third test of our trend resistance, because we've gotten the first and second test of our trend resistance. We're yet to get the third test of our trend resistance, so we could see a further move after the market approaching this our horizontal level of support and our trend support level. So that's my view on V15 index basically. So looking out for buys on V15 index short term. I'll be giving you guys an update on how the trade played out. So stay tuned, guys. Go to smash the like button if you enjoy this analysis and subscribe if you're a new viewer. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys for always engaging in my videos, for always commenting, liking. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.